Hello everyone, let's learn how to create group chat on Instagram. Creating group chats on Instagram is a fantastic way to bring together friends, colleagues, or like-minded individuals to share messages, photos, and videos. Whether you're planning an event, coordinating a project, or simply wanting to connect with a specific group, this tutorial will help you navigate the process with ease. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure your Instagram app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update app. After that, open Instagram app on your device. Next, swipe on right to go on Chats menu. Now you see all your chats and you need to click on little icon in top right corner of the screen. Then there are two ways to add someone to create group. First one is to go on Suggested section and find someone you want and select him. The second way to add someone is to go on search bar and type nickname of that person AMD, select him, and go on Create Chat, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.